Hare Krishna. So we are discussing the 29th verse of the 3rd chapter of Gita, wherein Krishna has been telling how a living entity is bewildered by the material modes of nature, whereas today he will tell how a person who knows things in factuality, he doesn't disturb general populace and lets them continue to engage in their own service. We have the 29th verse which goes, Prakrite guna sammudhaha sajjante guna karmasu tan kritsna vido mandan kritsna vid navichalayet. Bewildered by the modes of material nature, the ignorant fully engage themselves in material activities and become attached. But the wise should not unsettle them, although these duties are inferior due to the performance of lack of knowledge. So Krishna makes these two terms, just like he has been using Aryan, A-Arya, yes, Tattvavit, A-Tattvavit. Here he uses the terms Kritsnavit and Akritsnavit. Kritsnavit means one who has factual knowledge. Akritsnavit, one who doesn't have factual knowledge. Factual knowledge means knowledge which is devoid of the three modes of material nature. And Akritsna, material knowledge, is something which is completely drenched in three modes of material nature. So we see science is what is completely drenched. Today's so-called science is completely drenched in three modes of material nature. I'll give you an example how. All those who have been science students, yes, 11th, 12th, we have all done physics के experiments, chemistry experiments, yes. हमने G का experiment किया था, 9.8 meter per second square वाला. We know, we take a ball, we drop that ball, we measure the amount of time, we do all the calculations, and then because Newton has said 9.8 meters per second square, हमारा 9 point आ गया, 9.5 आ गया, 10 आ गया, ठीक है, चलेगा. Yes. लेकिन हमारा सबका ऐसे 9.9, 9.1 आता था क्या? नहीं, किसी का 12, 13 भी आया है कि नहीं? आया है कि नहीं? Yes. फिर टीचर क्या बोलती है? अरे तुम क्या न्यूटन से ज़्यादा विद्वान हो गया? चलो थोड़ा ऐसा इसका ऑब्जर्वेशन देख के कॉपी कर ले, चल 9.1 ला उसको. Yes. Now we know everything is similar. The apparatus is same, the procedure is same, the way the readings are taken is same, but still the observations are different everywhere. Yes. So this is a classic example of how in material world everything is dependent on perceptions. In spiritual life, things don't depend on perceptions. We see time and again the way in which devotees have conducted themselves. We will take numerous examples today. Pandavas, yes, they were ostracized from their own kingdom. They did not object. Their wife was stripped naked in a huge assembly. Can anyone in today's world think of something like this? And अगर किसी की पत्नी को भरी सभा में निर्वस्त्र किया जा रहा है, उसके पति शांत बैठे रहेंगे क्या? आज ऐसा होगा क्या? क्या हम ऐसा करेंगे क्या? Yes. तुकाराम महाराज, घर में दाना पानी नहीं है, पत्नी और बच्चे अन्न के लिए बिलख रहे हैं, ये जाकर के भामागिरी पे हरि विठ्ठल भजन कर रहे हैं. क्या ये स्तर है हमारा? नहीं. मीरा को उनके पति ने विष का प्याला दे दिया, मीरा ने पी लिया. क्या ये है हमारा स्तर? नहीं. So we see the way in which knowledge and surrender, which is devoid of the three modes of material nature, comes is really unique. Doesn't change. Any spiritual activity is driven by the most basic understanding. Krishna will take care. As long as this complete surrender is not there, we must understand that we are still under the very stringent grip of material nature. Yes. In spite of everything the Pandavas went through hell in their lives, still surrendered. Tukaram Maharaj went through all the calamities in their life, surrendered. Mirabai, yes, so much. And these are only handful of examples that are very prominent. There are so many others in every culture. Yes, we have Purandar Das, Kanak Das, and the entire deity of Udupi Krishna turning just because of Kanak Das. Yes. So Krishna is there and he is the only doer. When one actually knows this, he is Kritsnavit. At our stage, we are still bewildered by the modes of material nature. And Krishna says that one should not simply try to disturb such kind of populace. उनको ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं देना चाहिए. But we see devotees are exactly opposite. Yes. Jesus Christ, we take the example. Jesus Christ he stayed for 32 years in this mortal world. Of these 32 years, he preached for around 2.5 to 3 years. 3 years of preaching, and 2000 years hence also we are following him. This is what is called quality. 3 साल का प्रचार किया है, 2000 साल के बाद भी दुनिया की मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन उस एक व्यक्ति को फॉलो करती है. This is what is called as quality. This is what is called as Kritsnavit. And what kind of compassion? The same people whom he was trying to preach to, they were the same people who crucified him. Still, it is Jesus Christ who is telling them, "Oh my Lord, please forgive them. They do not know what they are doing." They don't know what they are doing. So this concept of whatever is happening to me is actually because of Krishna. It is actually not being done by me. Yes, or it is not being done by somebody else also. It is Krishna, somehow my prarabdha, my karma that is coming back to me. ये जब सही में पता चलेगा, इसका साक्षात्कार होगा, तब वो कृत्स्नविद है. हम अभी उस स्तर पर नहीं है. दिल्ली अभी बहुत दूर है. Thank you very much. Please do stay with us. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna